When should you waive a home inspection? This is your safety net of getting out of a purchase contract. When you buy a home, you can do your home inspection, discover what the issues are, and discover a major problem. You can cancel and get your deposit back. When is it safe to not have that safety feature? I could tell you, if you are a savvy home buyer, you've bought 15, 20, 30, 40 homes in your career, you're an investor, you're a flipper, and you just know what you're getting into, it's probably safe. If this is your first time buying a home and you haven't been through the process, absolutely not. I don't care what the risk is of losing that opportunity. You want that home inspection contingency in there. You want to have that home inspection done. Even as an expert, I've discovered things through the home inspection I had no idea would appear that could cost you, could cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars. You don't want to make that mistake. Save that home inspection contingency regardless of where that market condition is. It could save you a lot of stress, money, and headaches. Good luck on your home shopping.